In this problem, it is asked to find magnitude and direction of force F if the resultant is 72 kN and is acting along y-axis. So, what is given in this problem is resultant is vertically upward. It is acting along y-axis. So, resultant is along y-axis. So, it will be equal to summation Fy. Therefore, summation Fx equal to 0. So, resultant is along the y-axis. Therefore, summation Fx component will be equal to 0. Resultant is along y-axis. So, summation Fy value will be equal to resultant R and summation Fx value will be equal to 0. Now, consider, and it is given as resultant value as 72 kilonewtons. Now consider summation Fx equal to 0. Now resolving forces horizontally and vertically. Now resolving forces horizontally, summation Fx is 0, and some resolving forces vertically, summation Fy we know it is R. So now resolving 10 kN force horizontally, it will be 10 cos 30 degrees directed towards positive x-axis. So 10 cos 30 degrees directed towards positive x-axis. So plus, now resolving 10 kN force vertically, it will be 10, and resolving 10 kN force vertically, it will be 10 sin 30 degrees. It will be 10 sin 30 degrees. 10 sin 30 degrees. Here R value is 72 kN. So substitute 72 kN and resolution of 10 kN force. This 10 kN force vertically it will be 10 sin 30 degrees directed towards positive y-axis. So 10 sin 30 degrees positive. Now resolving F force making angle alpha to the horizontal, it will be F cos alpha, and its vertical F cos alpha directed towards positive x-axis. So plus, and its vertical resolution will be F sin alpha directed to positive y-axis. So plus F sin alpha directed to positive y-axis. So plus. Now resolving this 40 kN force horizontally, it will be 40 sin 30 degrees directed towards negative x-axis. So it will be 40 sin 30 degrees directed to negative x-axis. So minus 40 sin 30 degrees equal to 0. Now resolving 40 kN force vertically, it will be 40 cos 30 degrees. It is directed to positive y-axis. So 40 cos 30 degrees directed to positive y-axis. So plus. Now solving this one, we get F cos alpha value, and solving this one, we get F sin alpha value. Say this as 1 and say this as 2. Now dividing 2 by 1, this by this. So we get tan alpha. From that, alpha equal to tan inverse of whatever value we get alpha value, angle, and substituting for alpha in 1, we get F value as 34.29 kN. So alpha what we got is 70.69 degrees, and F value what we got is 34.29 kilonewtons. So alpha value is F is 34.29 kilonewtons and alpha is 70.69 degrees. Now, and resultant of these three forces is vertical. It will be vertical on the y-axis having magnitude 72 kilonewtons.